Welcome to the messy kitchen with your host Miss G. Welcome to the messy kitchen, cooking for you and me. Welcome to the messy kitchen.
Warning, warning, warning.
Welcome to Messy Kitchen. I'm your host, Miss G. Today we're going to be cooking broccoli croquettes. It's a really easy recipe and it's super delicious. So, let's get cooking. Woo! Broccoli has been around for 2,000 years.
What?
Broccoli is known as the crown jewel of nutrition. It's because it's filled with lots of vitamins and minerals. The heaviest broccoli was grown in Alaska in 1993. It weighed 15.87 kilograms. That's the equivalent weight to 159 blueberry muffins. Yay! Or the equivalent weight to 5,078 tea bags. Oh, that's a lot of tea. Health benefits from eating broccoli. It helps our digestion, it helps protect our skin, improve our eyesight, it fights off harmful diseases, it even helps prevent allergic reactions. Thanks, Mr. Broccoli.
Oh.
Broccoli is the fastest growing annual plant. It can grow up to 60 centimetres tall. That's the equivalent to 2 30-centimetre rulers or 1/200th of a football pitch. Broccoli grows from a seed. It grows into a thick stem with large, leathery leaves. At the top, a head of broccoli is formed. This is the part we generally eat. On the head, there are thousands of tiny flower buds that group together on little stems. If it isn't harvested, these will grow into yellow flowers. Interesting. Broccoli was first grown during Roman times. It developed from a wild cabbage, which originally came from Turkey and other Mediterranean regions. It didn't come to England until 1720. Great source of nutrition. It's filled with vitamin A and C. These protect us from many diseases, improve our immune system, and even help muscle growth.
Oh yeah.
Onions have been part of the human diet for more than 7,000 years. Wow. Archaeologists have found traces of onions that date back to 5000 BC. They were found alongside the stones from figs and dates in a settlement from the Bronze Age. What? In the Middle Ages, onions were an acceptable form of currency. They were used to pay for rent, goods and services, even gifts. It's my birthday. What did you get me? An onion? How did you know that's just what I wanted? Yay! The Guinness Book of Records has recorded the largest weighing onion. It was grown in Britain in 2011. It weighed 18 pounds. That's a monster of an onion. That's the equivalent weight to 204 basketballs, or if you were an 18-pound baby kangaroo, your mother would have to be 36 meters tall to carry you.
SG say what?
Although dairy is known for boosting our bone health, onions can also support strong bones. Today, we're going to learn about our bones. To be specific, our skeletal systems. An adult human body has 206 bones altogether. A newborn baby has 300 bones.
Huh?
This is because babies have more flexible cartilage that eventually hardens and becomes bone. System provides structure and strength for our bodies. If we didn't have our bones, we'd be like floppy jellyfish. Each bone has a special function. Some bones protect more fragile parts of our body, like our skull protects our brain, or our rib cage protects our heart and our lungs. Other bones, like our arms and our legs, help our body to move around by providing support to our muscles. It also helps us to dance. Oh yeah! The skeletal system is not just made up of bones. It also includes ligaments, tendons, and cartilage. Wow. Our tendons attach to our muscles to help them move. Our ligaments attach to our bones.
What?
I've got 206 bones in my body to help my skeletal system. I've got 206 bones in my body to help my skeletal system. Some bones protect my insides, others help me to move. Without them, I flip-flop to each side, I wouldn't be able to groove. I've got 206 bones in my body to help my skeletal system. I've got 206 bones in my body to help my skeletal system. I've got tendons and ligaments to connect to my muscles and bones. I've got tendons and ligaments to connect to my muscles and bones. I've got 206 bones in my body to help my skeletal system. I've got 206 bones in my body to help my skeletal system. That's it for today's episode of Messy Kitchen with Miss G. I really hope you enjoyed cooking today, and I especially hope you enjoyed those broccoli croquettes. Yeah! Don't forget to subscribe. I upload weekly videos where we cook together delicious recipes and I educate you guys at home. You don't want to miss it. Don't forget to subscribe for more of this.
Welcome to the messy kitchen with your host, Miss G. Welcome to the messy kitchen, cooking for you and me. Welcome to the messy kitchen.